$10 trillion in debt comes due soon. Someone is going to break. The world is standing in front of a $10 trillion debt wall. High interest rates, record borrowing, and a deadline that can't be pushed further. Someone is going to crack. The question is, who breaks first? Stay with me. From 2020 to 2024, governments worldwide borrowed at historic levels. Zero interest rates made money cheap. Corporations borrowed too. Households borrowed. Everyone borrowed. But now central banks have raised rates to the highest levels in 20 years. And all that debt is coming due in 2025-26. Refinancing will be brutally expensive. Some will absorb the hit with lower profits and tighter budgets. Others will feel the squeeze turn into real pain. The world economy is walking a tightrope. The winds of high interest rates are picking up and the rope is beginning to sway. Emerging markets are already struggling. Argentina, crushing inflation. Pakistan, foreign reserves barely holding. Egypt and Ghana, currency volatility. Turkey, battling external loans. Even advanced economies aren't safe. Japan, highest debt to GDP on Earth. Italy, rising bond yields. US deficit explosion triggering treasury concerns. One shock, one policy mistake, and global bond markets could wobble. Here's the real danger. Bond markets decide the price of money. If investors demand higher yields, governments pay more to borrow. Corporates pay more to refinance. Consumers feel the shock through inflation and slower growth. It's a cycle that can feed on itself. A global bond tantrum could trigger stock market volatility, capital flight from emerging markets, currency depreciation, a growth slowdown. For the first time in decades, the US is becoming a key risk driver. Massive deficits, high yields, record treasury issuance. If US yields spike again, global borrowing costs rise instantly. From London to Mumbai to Jakarta, the world is tied to America's interest rate machine. When that machine speeds up, the world feels it immediately. The next 2 years will decide everything. Will central banks cut rates in time? Can governments manage the refinancing wave? Or will a major economy default and shock the world? The global debt wall is here, and someone will hit it hard. Prepare before it's too late. Follow Ecomatrix for daily global economy updates.